So only 24 people have joined. I hope a few more are going to join very soon. And in today's class, we will be seeing regarding the textual grammar. The previous class we have seen about two posters. One poster was given by government model school. The other poster was given by Zilla Parishad school. I think we have already seen what are the facilities and what kind of curriculum they are going to provide us. Okay, now based on that, we have one more thing to do. What is that? Is each one of you have an aspiration. Aspiration is a dream or a goal or an ambition in life. You have an ambition to be a software engineer or a doctor or a teacher or a lawyer or a robotic person or an aeronautical engineer, whatever it is. Someone wants to become a sports person. If you are really interested, a software engineer, etc. As a student, which school would you like to join? In the two schools, like ZPHS is given and model school is given. In the earlier class, we have seen. So, which school would you like to join, and what are the reasons? Write your opinion in your notebook based on the ideas given. So, taking the two posters into consideration, that is ZPHS one, and I will show you one. 1 minute. Let me go forward. So these are the posters, right? So this is ZPHS poster, and similarly you are given this one. So based on these two posters, you have to write your opinion like which school you wanted to join and why do you want to join. You need to write it. Okay, clear? So do not forget that. Now, let's see what is this. Scientists believe that we have various kinds of intelligence. You have a different kind of intelligence. I have a different kind of intelligence. Okay, I may be good at teaching or reading, or you might be good at solving problems, or you might be very creative in doing some experiments. Whatsoever it is. Okay, all intelligences are equally valuable and present in every individual. Do not think that a person who reads and writes well is intelligent. A person who is writing and reading may not play cricket well, or a person who is writing in the exams very well, okay, he may not even cook well. See, intelligence is different. Intelligence is not only conformed to reading and writing or learning. You may be good at sports, but you may not be good at studies. That doesn't mean that you don't have intelligence. Your intelligence is there in playing games, or your intelligence is there in doing some experiments. So every one of us have different intelligence, and intelligence which is there in every individual is equally valuable. Okay, don't think that first ranker only has intelligence. First ranker may have intelligence only in reading and writing, but he may not be having intelligence in other field, like logical thinking or solving problems or doing some experiments or playing a game perfectly. He may not be good at that one. Okay, though some intelligence is better developed than others, intelligence help us reach our aspiration. If you are intelligent only, you can reach your goal. So here we have 9 intelligence which are very important. First one is linguistic intelligence. What is linguistic intelligence? Good with words. If you are able to read, if you are able to write, if you are able to speak, that is called as linguistic intelligence. For example, teachers are there, professors are there, lecturers are there. They will be good at linguistic intelligence because they teach. As they teach, their vocabulary, their reading skills, their writing skills will improve. So that is linguistic skills or linguistic intelligence. Some of you might be very good at writing essay writings or speaking like elocutions or extempore speeches. So those people are called as linguistic intelligence. Now, if you are good at speaking and writing, you may take a profession of a teacher, you may take a profession of a lawyer, you may be taking a profession of a content developer. It is left to your choice. Now, logical thinking, people will become mathematics teacher, or you will become some scientist good with numbers. Next one is uh, spatial intelligence, good at arrangement of objects, things. Okay, how to arrange. For example, this room is there. Where to put each and every object? Where should be the blackboard? Where should be the benches? How should be they arranged systematically? Or in any wedding or something like that, they may become a management people, like hotel management or in five-star hotel management. They have those skills. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence, good with dance and acrobatics. I mean, they may become a dancer or they may become some gymnast or something like that if they have bodily kinesthetic. Musical intelligence, good with music. They may become a musician or they may become a singer. Interpersonal intelligence, good with making friends. The way you approach other person, the way you receive the other person, the way you communicate with other person. See, different people have different language and you have your own way of speaking. But your way of speaking may be different from other person. You may be very soft. Some people even don't receive people well. They don't. They show unwillingness or they are reluctant to even greet the people. Some of you might not be even wishing your parents, might not be even wishing your relatives, might not be wishing your neighbors also. But those people have interpersonal skills, which is very, very important. How to interact with a person, how to receive a person, how to speak with a person, what kind of rapport you should have, that will be interpersonal intelligence. Those people have interpersonal intelligence, they'll become HR managers, human resource people. Okay, because they tackle the people, they interact with the people, they come to an understanding with the people. Next one is intrapersonal intelligence, feeling good about myself. This you should have. You should be confident about yourself. That is called as intrapersonal. Within you, you must know in what area you are good at. As an individual student, you should be knowing about in which skill I am good. Am I good at reading? Am I good at speaking? Am I good at drawing? Am I good at writing? Am I good at logical thinking? This you should have a clarity. At least now, just think about for some time after the class in what field or in which field or in which thing I am good at. Am I good at reading? Am I good at writing? Am I good at speaking? Or am I good at receiving people? Or am I good at making some experiments? Or am I good at doing some experiments? If you really know at what thing you are good at, you can focus on that, and that can become your aspiration. Next one, naturalistic intelligence, love of animals and plants, Discovery Channels, Animal Planet, National Geography, or you can see even you may become a wildlife photographer, or you may become a director in making some document movies about nature, animals and plants. That is naturalistic intelligence, one who studies about the nature. Spiritual intelligence, thinking about life and its purpose, thinking about God. Okay, you may become a preacher, you may become a priest, you may become a pastor, or you may become a person who is going to influence society by preaching the godly words, speaking about God, making people to live in peace. And boys and girls are capable and equally intelligent. They can use this intelligence to take any task. So these things you try to find out from these 9 intelligences in which one you are expert or in which one you have more interest. Try to focus on that. You will achieve whatever aspiration or goal you have in your life. Clear? So now after the class, think about it. Write few points. Okay, I am good at so and so things. Or you can think that I have linguistic intelligence or I have interpersonal things. So with these things, I just wanted to be in my life as something. So please write it in your class. Okay. Now let's move to the next part. Oral activity. Okay. Discuss in groups and write a script for a funny situation between you and the robo, and the play role play it based on those actions and dialogues. See, robo sometimes it may listen to your instructions, sometimes because of some failure. Like we have seen MT2. MT2, if the instructions are given like commands rather than programming language, MT2 was not able to execute the commands. Similarly, imagine that you also have a robot, but when you are giving instructions, it is not following but giving a different output. You are asking it to do some work like fill the water in the bottle. What it is doing, it is just pouring the water out of the bottle. So funny incident, imagine that you have a robo and the robo is having some technical issues and it is doing some funny thing. Okay, clean the floor means it might be cleaning you, not the floor, because it is not following the instructions properly. So when robots don't follow the instructions properly, it may sometimes lead in a funny thing. So what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to enact a conversation, a situation between you and a robot and write the funny incident. Okay, right? Please do it in your classwork. Right now we cannot display it in the class, no? So do it in the classwork. Clear? Okay, so next project work. In project work, what do we have? Here are 4 different mobiles and their features. If you want to buy a mobile, which one would you like to buy and why? Write a paragraph and present it in the class. Right now, we cannot present in the class, present it in your classwork. So 4 mobiles are given: Sokia, Strawberry, Samsung, Minimax. It's an imitation of the original brands like Nokia, BlackBerry, Samsung, and Micromax. Original names cannot be taken. No, we should not take also. So the duplicate names are taken. So Nokia is offering you large screen with 7.1 inches, long lasting battery, Bluetooth facility is there, music player is there, VGA camera, video camera is there, and Strawberry is having Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Quartic keypad, MP3 player, and 5 megapixel camera. Samsung is offering you high speed internet, full touch screen, Bluetooth, MP3, and 3.2 megapixel camera. Whereas Minimax is offering you free travel bag worth, free gift worth of bag is there. Rocking sound, good sound, low price is very less, 5 megapixel camera. So based on the features given by all the phones, which phone would you like to buy and why would you like to buy? Please make a note in your classwork. Take a screenshot and please do share it in the WhatsApp group by tomorrow afternoon. Whether you want to buy Sokia, why do you want to buy? Whether you want to buy Strawberry, why do you want to buy? Whether you want to buy Samsung, why do you want to buy? Why do you want to buy Micromax? All these features. Based on the features, why do you want to buy that particular mobile? You please mention it in your notebook. Clear? So with this, we have come to the ending part of our 4th unit. Tomorrow we shall start the 5th unit. Clear? So this one, regarding which phone you wanted to buy, draw a picture of that particular mobile and I wanted to buy Nokia mobile. What are the reasons? Okay. Or you want to buy Strawberry mobile. What are the reasons? You mention it in that. And similarly, what is your ambition and what do you want to become in your life? Okay. And what kind of thing, what kind of intelligence you have, that also please do it in your classwork and submit in the WhatsApp group by tomorrow afternoon. Clear?